Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this beanie for Christmas. For this I'm going to use this Aran yarn and a pom-pom. You would also need a crochet hook. I'm using 6mm. Let's make a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers. Insert your hook. Pull up the back loop and pull through. I'm going to chain 17. So yarn over your hook. Insert your hook through the loop. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through. So chain 17. Now we are going to do 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook and 1 single crochet into every stitch. So to single crochet, insert the hook into the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn over the hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So working 1 single crochet into every stitch around. And at the end of this round, you should have 16 stitches. At the end of this round, chain 1, turn your work. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Now we are going to do 1 single crochet into these back loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So working 1 single crochet into these back loops. So for round 3, chain 1, turn your work. Again working single crochet into the back loops only. So from now on we are just going to repeat this pattern until we have done 72 rows. You can also adjust the length, but make sure you end up with even number of rows and also the multiple of 4. I finished mine, and at this point you can wrap it around your head to measure. Chain 1 and pull the yarn. Leave a long tail like twice the length. We are going to seam these 2 ends together so we can work into the rounds. Cut the yarn. And using yarn needle, we are going to seam these 2 ends together. Going back and forth underneath these chains. We are going to sew these 2 ends. You can weave the tail or you can leave it until the end. I'm going to just work it now. Now we are going to work into rounds. So insert your hook anywhere. Pull the yarn. Chain 1. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Insert your hook again into the same space and then single crochet. Single crochet into this next space. Now we are going to single crochet all the way across. And we will be working over the tail so we don't have to weave the ends. Since I did 72 rows for the band, so I should have 72 single crochets. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch. So yarn over into the same stitch. We are going to do a half double crochet. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now again yarn over into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So we are going to do 1 half double crochet into every stitch around. I'm going to change color now. So in my 4th half double crochet, yarn over, pull through, drop the red yarn, and I'll pull through with white color, pull through all 3 loops. Now we will do half double crochet with white color, but we will also work over our red tail. So we will hold the red tail and then work over it. So 1 half double crochet with white, so 2 more half double crochets with white color, working over the red yarn. I'm going to change color, this time at my 4th half double crochet. I'm going to drop white and pull up the red yarn. Now I'll do another half double crochet with the red yarn, but I'll work over the white yarn. So while working with one color, we will carry over the next color. So we have to do 4 half double crochets of each color. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So we have finished our round, working last half double crochet. At this point we are going to change color. I have 1 stitch remaining in the middle. Ignore it because this is from our slip stitch. So slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1. I think I forgot to do the chain 1, but you do it. Chain 1 and half double crochet into the same stitch. Working over our white yarn, we are going to do 4 half double crochet with red and 4 half double crochet with white. So this is the repeat round as the previous round. Finish this round and I'll meet you at the end of this round. Now at the end of this round, we are going to change the alternate color for the boxes. So instead of finishing it with red, we are going to carry forward the white color. So we have the red box here. We are going to start with white now. Slip stitch into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, half double crochet into the same stitch, and half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Now just half double crochet into every stitch around. Continue with the same pattern. We will finish this round with the red color and start the new round with white color to finish that box in white. So drop the red yarn and pull a loop of white yarn, slip stitch into the first stitch with white, chain 1 and half double crochet into the same stitch. Sorry, I forgot to do the chain 1 here. So you can chain 1 and then half double crochet with white. Now we will just continue with our pattern, doing half double crochet with the similar colors. At the end of this round, I'll finish this box with the red yarn, now I'll carry over the red color as we have done the white box. So now the next box will be red color. Slip stitch with red color, chain 1 and half double crochet into every stitch around, changing your colors. Now it's just the repeat pattern. Keep working until you get to your desired length. Do as much as round you like. I'm going to do around 12 inches. I finished mine and my length is around 11 to 12 inches. So at the last stitch, I'm going to do 1 half double crochet. Take the red yarn and slip stitch into this one, which is the first of the next round, first stitch of the next round. Chain 1. Now we are going to cut the yarn, but we are going to leave the long tail around twice the size of the top. So we will close this top. I'll measure my work. It's around 12 inches. Turn your work. So this is the back side facing you. With our yarn needle, we will go back and forth in the top stitches to close the top of our beanie. I'm going to do some loose stitches. It doesn't matter which stitch you go through. We are going to pull it at the end. We will also shape it as we go along, pulling it through. Pull your yarn and tighten it. We're also going to stitch it, going back and forth with your yarn needle. You are going to tighten it so it doesn't come out. I'm going to weave the ends, working underneath the red color so my yarn doesn't show. Now cut the yarn, turn around. We are going to add a pom-pom now. You can also weave these ends. And now we are going to add our pom-pom. Take a pom-pom, insert your yarn needle, pull a loop. So you can just insert anywhere at the top, it doesn't matter. Now we are going to tie a knot. Our beanie is complete now. I hope you like it and enjoy making it. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.